The stock, this is where everything can go wrong. And I want you to think about what that actually means. Every day, thousands of investors are looking at the same large cap names. The same Nifty 50 stocks. The same headlines. The same analyst reports. But somewhere, sitting quietly on the exchange, there is a company that most people have completely missed. And that might be the biggest mistake the market is making today. I am going to show you everything. The numbers, the insight, and the risk. But first, let me show you why this matters. Stay with me till the end. So, what is actually going on with this company? Let me give you 3 data points, and I am not going to tell you the name yet. First, market capitalization, 1,635 crore rupees. That is tiny. Institutional investors do not even look at stocks this small. It is completely off their radar. Second, current stock price, 346 rupees. That seems reasonable. But here is the thing. Third, the 52-week range, 15 rupees to 350 rupees. Do you understand what just happened there? This stock went from 15 rupees to 350 rupees. That is a 23 times return. In under 1 year. And the name. We are not giving it away yet. Keep watching. Because something very unusual just happened here. And the real story is not the price move. The real story is what is driving it. Now, you might be thinking, fine, the stock has already moved. Why should I care? Here is why. When a company is under 2,000 crore in market cap, institutional fund managers simply cannot buy it. The position sizes would be too large relative to the stock's liquidity. So there is zero institutional coverage. Zero analyst reports. No one is doing the research. That is your edge as an individual investor. You can find it before they do. And here is what is happening with this specific company right now. A 23 times stock move, momentum intact, still near all-time highs. Revenue of 238 crore rupees, this is real revenue. Not a concept. Not a projection. Actual money coming in. Small company. Big returns. That combination is rare. And when institutional investors finally discover a stock like this, and they will, the buying pressure that follows can be extraordinary. The question is, are you early or are you late? Now we get to the most important part of this entire video. What is the market missing? Here is the insight. ROE, return on capital employed, is 23.1%. ROE, return on equity, is 22.2%. In a company with a market cap of just over 1,600 crore. Let me put that in plain terms. For every 100 rupees of capital this company has deployed, it is generating 23 rupees in operating profit. That is not common. Most small cap companies struggle to cross 10 to 12%. The ones that cross 20% consistently, those are the compounders. And this company is sitting at 23%. Most small caps burn through capital. They raise money, they spend it. And the returns do not justify the investment. This company is doing the opposite. It is compounding capital efficiently. The market is pricing this at a payoff 56 times. That sounds expensive, and it is not cheap. But when you see ROEs and ROE at these levels in a company this size, the market is not being irrational. It is saying, we expect this to keep growing. The question is that expectation justified? Based on the numbers I have seen, yes. Let us go through the numbers simply. No jargon. No complexity. Annual sales, 238 crore rupees. Real revenue. This is not a startup with zero income. Money is actually coming in. Current price, 346 rupees. It came from a 52-week low of 15 rupees. That is a big move. And it is still holding near those highs. Rose, 23.1%. Top tier for a small cap. Unusual. That is the word I want you to remember. Unusual. Book value, 30 rupees and 60 paise per share. The stock is trading at roughly 11 times book. The market is pricing in significant future value. That is confidence, or it is risk. We will get to that. Dividend yield, 0.14%. That is very low. But that is actually a positive signal here. It means the company is retaining its earnings and reinvesting them. That is how compounders behave. Market cap, 1,635 crore. Still small. Still under the radar. That is what makes this interesting. So when does this stock move from here? What are the catalysts? 4 things to watch. Number 1, order book expansion. If this company announces new contracts or starts operating in new geographies, the revenue number of 238 crore can scale quickly. And when revenue scales faster than expected in a company this size, the valuation re-rates almost immediately. Number 2, institutional discovery. At 1600 crore market cap, this is still below the threshold for most mutual funds and institutional investors. But if even one mid-cap fund decides to build a position, that is weeks of consistent buying pressure. And it lifts the stock in a way that retail investors alone cannot. Number 3, margin improvement. Rose at 23% is already strong. But if operating leverage kicks in, if costs grow slower than revenue, and Rose crosses 25 to 30%, the market will reward that with a higher pay multiple. Number 4, sector tailwind. If the sector this company operates in receives government support or a policy push, and many infrastructure and technology adjacent sectors are currently receiving that, then an already moving stock gets an additional wave of momentum. Any one of these triggers, and this story accelerates. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. Every good story has a catch. And this one does too. The single biggest risk here is valuation. A pay of 56.3 times is not cheap. What this means is, you are paying a significant premium for future growth. If that growth does not materialize, or if it slows down even slightly, this stock can correct quite sharply. Small cap stocks tend to fall faster and harder than large caps when sentiment turns negative. Additionally, small cap stocks have lower liquidity. If there is a sudden negative development and you need to exit, the spread between the buying price and selling price can be more expensive than you expect. There is also limited public disclosure compared to large cap companies. Less information means more uncertainty. I am not saying do not look at this. I am saying go in with full awareness. Position sizing matters here. With the risk clearly on the table, let us go to the reveal. The market is ignoring this stock. The question is, will you? 3 quick things before you go. First, if you want to be the first to know about hidden small cap opportunities like this one, before the broader market catches on, subscribe to this channel. That is what we do here. Second, drop a comment below. Is this overvalued at a pay of 56 times? Or do you think the growth story justifies it? I genuinely want to read your analysis. And third, if you found this useful, share it with one investor who you think should know about this. This is not SEBI registered advice. Always do your own due diligence. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.